By now, you all know the story of Northeast Factory Direct and how they can save you thousands. The gentleman who does that, Alex Nemeth, the owner, is joining us. Alex, thanks again.
Thank you.
All right, again, just tell everybody what you have in this big warehouse.
We have hot tubs, we have kitchen cabinets, we have bedroom sets, dining room sets, sectionals, theater seating, pool tables. I can go on and on.
And every time I come in here, it seems like you just have more stuff. But because of that, in true Northeast Factory fashion, you blew a hole in the wall to get bigger.
Yeah, we blew a hole in the wall, connected our warehouse next door, and expanded for new product. We've also created a clearance area as well.
So even more savings in the room.
Exactly.
That you just blew through the wall.
Right.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And that's how you're saving everybody money. NortheastFactoryDirect.com, West Side and East Side. Alex, as always, thank you.
Thank you.